What you told me yesterday? What you told me yesterday? We was in this car. I ain't sharing nothing with him. I'm gonna stick another 100 in here and see what happens. He say after this I gotta leave. He say after this we gone. Yeah, I'm betting $18 a spin, y'all. Come on, baby. Keep on paying that lady. Ooh, my stomach is in knots, y'all. I cannot believe I just won that. I'm about to cry. Stick a needle in my eye. It gotta be 3 rolls.
Oh, that wild draw. You got the jacks though.
Oh, we won $50 for that. Oh, $100. We got our money back. Got our money back, y'all, because it's times 2.
Times 2, because it's 2
Yeah, look.
dollars.
Yeah, it's times 2. Come on, baby. Pay that lady. Scatter. That's how you get the bread on this machine. 3 scatters.
Now she got me hyped up.
My husband gonna be coming to play this. This is my second time getting a hand pay on this machine. First $10,000 hand pay ever. I cannot believe it. I'm about to cry.
Wow. Keep going.
Oh, dang. That's